Welcome to Sharkroll Casino. In this quick guide, we'll show you how to use the referral system to grow your network and earn rewards. First, log into your account at sharkroll.io. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. Select Referrals from the menu. Here at your profile, you'll find your unique referral code. To invite users, simply copy and share this code. Scrolling down, you'll see your network overview under the Earning History tab. Users earn a share of the platform's profits, average 10% of the house edge from games, and 11% from the total amount paid into the lottery. These earnings are distributed across 4 referral levels, so users benefit not only from their direct referrals, but also from their network's activity. And the best part? These revenues are yours for a lifetime. The referral system works across 4 levels. Level 1 gives you 5%, Level 2, 3%, Level 3, 2%, and Level 4 gives you 1% of your referee's net revenue. This multi-level structure extends your earning potential far beyond your direct invites. In this network table, each level also shows your claimable balance. To view detailed earnings from each referee, click the arrow icon on the right side of the screen for each level. To collect your rewards, simply click Claim All. You can also review your claimed history at any time by selecting Claimed History. And that's it. With Sharkroll Casino's referral system, you can build your network and maximize your rewards. Start sharing your code today